Hello, I'm correspondent from North Korea. My name is Nan. What's your name?
My name is Ơi.
Have you heard the news about the number of mobile phone users in North Korea is increasing a lot from the last year?
No.
Uh, do you have an opinion about this? Can you explain it for me?
In my opinion, I think the number of mobile phone users has increased. It shows that North Korea is developing their country, and it better. It is a good good way to develop their country, because I heard that North Korea is very underdeveloped country. It's not develop anything, so I think this way is better.
So you think it's good that people use
I think it's good that people use mobile phone. Even they are not use like in Thailand, they not use BlackBerry or something, because BlackBerry we can chat or we can chat to each other, we can send the.
It's too new for North Korea, right?
It's they can learn more, and they can know
about technology.
And they can know more about technology and news in around the world, not only in their country.
Okay. Thank you for your answer.
Okay.